Yo, what's up? So, I had some problems trying to hook up a new ignition switch to this mower. Right here, these were the wires for the safety switches in the fucking thing. So, what I did, I said fuck it. I completely ripped out the wiring harness. And I looked up a video from a YouTuber named Fearless Front, who happens to be a fellow Mainer, and I watched his video about 100 fucking times. And what I came up with was, right here, you've got your kill wire, which goes to here, and then that, since I went with a push button, you run your kill wire to one end of just a normal 2-position on-off toggle, and your other wire goes to ground. Right here is where I've got it grounded. It's not a very good one, but it works. And then you got your push button, which it does work, and the machine does have spark, so that's a good thing. So you got your starter solenoid. You got one wire hooked up there, one wire hooked up there. And I did put an inline fuse in. I don't know if I put it in the right spot, but it does work. But now I've just got to clean the fuel tank, put the fuel tank back on, spray out the carburetor, and see if it runs. Now it does have spark, and I know it runs because I sprayed some ether in the in behind the spark plug, and it ran for about 3 seconds. So there's that. I gotta put a new fuel filter on. But finally, after trying to fuck around, oh yeah, and this blue wire, I don't know what the hell it did, but that blue wire ran into this plug right here, came out as an orange wire, which goes up into the stator, the alternator, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what function that wire is, so I'm just gonna tape it off, tuck it up inside, and we'll see what happens. See if my battery recharges correctly and all kinds of stuff. But yeah, just a little update on that. Figure I'd get rid of that rat's nest of wiring and save myself some headache, and push buttoned it. Later.